welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? Today's video is gonna be about how I curl my hair. It's the specific method I do when I curl my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys, so hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, look through my channel. I have some cool videos, I guess. So yeah, enjoy this video. First things first, of course, I'm gonna have a hairbrush. Of course, a hairband. I don't know how many hairbands you need. Just a couple of hairbands. A hairband is a need. Any heat protective spray, heat protective gel, anything that protects your hair from heat is what you need. What I'm gonna be using is a Tresemme used by professional. Heat protection up to 450 degrees. Beautiful. What you want to do is apply it to your hair. Not too much, a little light. Brush it out. Get rid of all the tangles you have in your hair. Again, guys, my sister Lupita is here with me, next to me. Say hi, Lupita.
Hi, that's me. Let me help you. I'm going fine. Kill. What? Can you hear me?
So if you hear someone talking in the background, that is her. So now what you want to do is grab a section of your hair. You do it a bun because it's a lot easier that way. For every hair length, I do it the exact same method when curling my hair. So what you have now is this, right? So now what you want to do is grab a small part of your hair section like this. And the curler I am using is, I believe this is a 1-inch. A 1-inch hair curler. Doesn't have much because my mom bought this at the flea market a couple years ago. But I mean, this is worth it. So it's good. It works perfectly fine. So now you want to do is, for the bottom section, like in this section right here, I always start from close to the bottom. So I leave it on like about 10 to 15 seconds. And I slowly loose the curl on the curler. So I'm going this way. So the curler is hugging the curler like this. And I'm also doing this to my hair. I don't know why. I just had the habit of doing this to my hair on the curler. Loosen that curl like that. Hopefully the bottom of my hair is curled. So now you want to grab your hair and part another section of your hair. So now you want to go start from the middle of the hair. So far my hair is curled halfway, just like how it's supposed to be. So now again, separate another portion. So now I believe this is the third section. For this third section, curl your hair almost against to your head. Not too close like this, just like this, y'all. Close to your head. No. It doesn't matter how close or separate the curls are on the curler. As you can see, like they're kind of separate right now. You can always bring them close together. My hair looks like this so far. Hopefully I got every piece curled. So now we're moving up to the top. So now you curl against to your head, closely to your head, as much as you can, like this. This is my hair after it's curled. I don't remember the last time I curled my hair, but I know for a fact the last time when I curled my hair was a lot shorter than this. Basically, my method when curling my hair is I curl the tip of my hair when starting from the bottom section. I don't curl my hair closely against my head until the very last section or the top of my hair. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, Let me know, comment down below. I will get to you, I will respond, I will reply to your comment. Do not hesitate. But I'm not done yet. What I do after I curl my hair, I run my fingers through my hair so my hair can have some volume. I don't add spray, I don't add any other chemicals to my hair. That's just me. I don't know about you girls, but you can do whatever you want to your hair. So this is now the final look of my curled hair. Oh, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. I got this top, this cute top from 327 Clothing. If you haven't heard it already, I'll leave down a description down below so you guys can check it out. They sell all these cute clothes and this shipping may be a bit expensive. A good thing it's under $10. They do fast shipping, that's the good thing. And also, if you happen to purchase any of their clothing, use my discount R Jenny with 2 Y's so you get some money off, some discount off. And also, I purchased these sunglasses for the summer or for a style or for a look, however you guys want. Like, are you talking to me? I'm so sorry. I would just pretend you don't exist. Cute. And also, I bought these sunglasses from Segreto Milano. And you can also use my discount R Jenny with 2 Y's for money off or a discount. Use my discount code R Jenny with 2 Y's for both websites, and I promise you guys, you will not regret using my discount code. Who doesn't want to save money, right? Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also share this video because, girl, I promise you this hairstyle will be cute on you. I guarantee you that. And also follow my Instagram if you haven't already. I will link my username down below in the description box. And so yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.